Struggling to make gluten-free delicious? We've got just the solution. Meet the Gluten-Free Equation Recipe Cookbook 2.0, your new best friend in the kitchen. Packed with mouth-watering recipes, this cookbook makes gluten-free cooking a breeze. Whether you're a seasoned chef or just starting out, our easy-to-follow instructions take the guesswork out of gluten-free. Imagine biting into crispy gluten-free fried chicken, savoring a slice of decadent chocolate cake, or enjoying a hearty lasagna, all without the gluten. With variety and versatility, we've got recipes for every craving and occasion. But this cookbook isn't just about delicious food. It's about empowering you with the knowledge and techniques to make every meal a success. From understanding gluten-free ingredients to mastering essential cooking tips, we've got you covered. And hey, we know life's busy. That's why our recipes are designed to be quick and convenient, perfect for weekday dinners or weekend feasts. Plus, the stunning food photography will inspire you to get cooking right away. Still not convinced? Hear it from our community. People are raving about how the Gluten-Free Equation Recipe Cookbook 2.0 has transformed their meals. I never knew gluten-free could taste this good. Ready to revolutionize your gluten-free cooking? Grab your copy of the Gluten-Free Equation Recipe Cookbook 2.0 today. Click the link below and start your journey to delicious, hassle-free gluten-free meals. Don't miss out on this culinary game changer. Visit our website now to get your copy and join our gluten-free community. Let's make every meal a masterpiece with the Gluten-Free Equation Recipe Cookbook 2.0.